and welcome to Hot Money Technicals on Bloomberg Quint Live, India's first digital live streaming business news service. This is the show which gets you a complete wrap of all the stocks that are buzzing in trade. I'm Darshan Mehta. Let's welcome our expert then, Raja Venkatraman of Chart Advice, NS Fidai, technical analyst and mentor, and Dhyaneshwar Badwal of KIFS Securities join me on the show. Let's start with the first stock, and that is something that Raja has. He has a chart on Sun TV. Sun TV, no doubt, has been doing exceptionally well for the past few days. Rallied almost 7 to 10% in the past few days. That's the move that's come out. But what's your view? Why should one buy this stock?
After the decline, if you see over the last 6 months to the end of 2019, the stock began well in 2020, and that was a very good sign. If you can see here, it began with a nice hammer formation, and steadily it has moved up. And on every pullback, it has witnessed a nice buying opportunity here. You can see here that the breakout seen yesterday moved above this trend line resistance and also above the pitchfork area. So now we are witnessing some profit booking, and the prices are dipping down into the dip levels, which I would advocate to buy here. So it's a good buy at current levels. You can place a stop loss, a very tight stop loss at 485 for an upside towards 555.
Okay, so what's the ideal strategy? Buy now, buy at till what level would you buy?
The dip levels have actually come. If you can see here, this is the candle which was formed yesterday. So the mid of this candle also acts as a nice support. So you can take this as a buy opportunity here. If you take a look at the momentum is also building up to the upside. So overall, the price action as well as the momentum suggests that we could expect some upside in the coming days.
Okay, so it's a quick trade according to you?
Yeah, it's a 10 to 15 session trading.
Okay, thanks so much for that. Now let's move across to the second row. We have a chart by Raja. He has a chart on Metropolis Healthcare. Came out with very strong set of numbers, probably near all-time highs. But what's your sense? Why should one buy this counter?
Yeah, so if you take a look at the daily charts, you will see that the stock has been given a good pullback, and I've used the Ichimoku setup here, which is showing that a pullback into the Ichimoku cloud always gives a nice up move. So you can see here there was a nice up move towards the late 2019. Then there was a dip again, and then once again there has been a good move here. So what has happened is, after this move ahead of the results, the prices began to consolidate here, and then on the result day you saw a nice dip. So the dip into the long-term moving average also witnessed a nice buying interest here, and the stock has given a nice rise yesterday. So overall setup indicates that it could be a good buy possibility. And if you take a look at the current move which is happening, it is also giving a good dip into the buying zone around 1650 to 1660. That's also a good opportunity to initiate a long.
Okay, that's the view that's coming.
There's also a weekly chart.
Okay. Do we have the weekly chart? Yes.
Yeah. So if you take a look at the weekly chart, after the breakout which emerged in Jan, the prices are consolidating and they are taking support at the median line. I've used this pitchfork tool. You can see here the support is taken at the median line. Because of continuous buying at the median line, there is a strong possibility that the stock could go up.
Okay, so it's at 1660 right now.
Yes.
It's already rallied so much. What's the ideal trade that you would recommend?
Yeah, the dip is perfect. You could buy now, place a stop loss at 1605 for an upside towards 1815.
1815, and how soon can that come in?
Yeah, within the next 20 to 25 trading sessions.
Okay, so a month trade in which 1800 probably can come in on the counter. Thanks so much for that, Raja.